Hi, in this video we will see how to install Amibroker and then configure it with data feed. Download Amibroker installer from the Amibroker website. This is the setup file you will receive after downloading. Now we will start the installer. Choose the place where you wish to install Amibroker. Most users will satisfied with the default location, but if necessary, we can change the directory. Otherwise, select Next. Now select full installation and click Next. Review the choices and then click Install to start the installation procedure. Wait for the installation to be completed. It may take few minutes. To exit the installer, click Finish. After the Amibroker installation, to get the live quotes of stocks in the charting platform, we need real-time data feed. You can find many real-time data providers for Amibroker charting platform in market. Here we have used BestRT NEX real-time data feed. Now we can configure data feed BestRT NEX with Amibroker and get the live tick in the chart. Here I have already installed BestRT NEX data feeder and logging in using login credential provided by BestRT NEX team.
Now the software has been loaded along with Amibroker. Here we need to add the symbol which we want to see the chart. Now here I am going to add the symbol crude oil. You can see the live prices of crude oil symbol in the Amibroker charting platform. So likewise, you can integrate your data software with Amibroker. In the upcoming videos, we will see more about Amibroker and its features. Thanks for watching.